William Ruto, Raila Odinga na Mbogi yao mama kuria Nyanza muthenya wa umuthi.
Wakisema one term tunawaambia nini? Tunawaambia nini? Tunawaambia nini?
Nake Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka na Mbogi yothe ya opposition mauma Sekuru, Kitui County.
Nimekuja kusikiza ground. Ground hapa Ukambani nasema nini? Ate ground inasemaje? Ate ground inasemaje? Hesabu na formula ya kufukuza Kasongo iko hapa. And this matter is done. It is too far away. That is the only disappointment. 2 years a long time. Haki ya Mungu hii uchaguzi ingekuwa kesho. Tugenyoa hii mtu si ndio?
Mwenye wa umuthi kuma siasa nyingi muno in the political scene. Kuria Nyanza Antonire Raila Amolo Odinga welcome William Ruto. Na recently William Ruto ni akoretwo agithi Kuria Nyanza muno gwiciria thaici ni arenda to make that place home because of 2027, which is uncertain whether he's going to receive that support. But I think it's just the other day arena tu aku muno cio. And right now we are seeing him back na gukorwo ko ginya riria gwakorwo na Madaraka Day celebration season Monday. Agakorwo ko ginya that time na umuthi ni akorirwo akilaunch maundu maingi muno kuria na tuona Raila Amolo Odinga donate mugunda wake wa eka 5 ukorwo ugiakwo affordable housing. Interesting. I know this is going to be an issue of debate some time to come. After nyumba icio ciarika cikihingurwo, there is definitely going to be something, but I leave that alone. Mwena uyu ungi wa Sekuru, Kitui County, nikuo opposition ego torete siasa ciao ku muthenya wa umuthi. Ntonire Rigathi Gachagua akiomba ko unachopa na batoni yake yothe ya DCP. Ntonire a lot of people. Peter Munya was in attendance, the chairman of the council of governors, the first batch of governors na na akoragwo wa PNU ni aregete gukorwo akiuga ati akarugama governor na kama gya PNU, but right now we are seeing him with the opposition Mbogi, so he is in that Mbogi full time. Rigathi Gachagua akiaria ni akorwo akihakikishira a Kenya ati come what may, gotiri undu kungithie makorwo makigayukana, because recently nukoretwo na a lot of stories being peddled ati Mbogi yo ya Rigathi Gachagua na Kalonzo Musyoka na Matiang'i, Eugene Wamalwa, they are all going to split at some point. Todo matigokorwo makielewana todo wa political differences na everyone wants to lead. Koguo hakinya hari hakumenya no gukorwo flag bearer, definitely they are going to have arguments. Na ni akorwo akikomithia uhoro ucio na njira imwe muno na gukorwo akiregana na uhoro ucio because he said that apatiwe time because they don't want to announce the flag bearer kwa sababu watamroga. I'm really loving the politics of Rigathi Gachagua because it is a politics of intimidation. Na ile politics ya niko unafanyia mtu hivi. This comes at a time when Rigathi Gachagua alikuwa anaongelewa pale hivyo parliament makienda akoro akinyitwo ni undu wa mierio yake ya kuga ati githurano gya 2027 kia gukorwo ki legit. What happened in 2007 will look like a Christmas party. Mierio ikoretwo iki amplify na njira imwe nene muno. Turonire ginya Icong'wa kuria Mbogi akiuga, who the hell do you think you are?
Who the hell do you think you are that you can celebrate the death of Kenyans, calling it a Christmas party? Shame on you. Shame on you.
It was very tough, very tough. The first session of parliament, kuma mauma recess. Na turona ginya Silvana Sosoro, makiuga ati the honorable Wamonyoro, the honorable Rigathi Gachagua should be arrested. Now, from a political view, there is grounds already laid for the arrest of Rigathi Gachagua. But the guy seems to be unbothered. In fact, dahana tahena odotoshio mutuine wake ati ni aranyitwo. And the guy akoretwo agiathana nake for quite some time, according to a statement that he did some time back. Arauga ati na ni undu tukoretwo tukionera ona ithui akoretwo agiethwo kana mishamanio yake igitharario for more than 10 times kuma hĩndĩ ĩrĩa kwarĩ na mathiko kũrĩa Limuru, up to just recently, hĩndĩ ĩrĩa akoragwo na arĩ na mũcemanio wa kĩama gĩake kia DCP. Kumekuwa na msururu na mtiririko wa kuandamwa na watu wasiojulikana. I'm just loving the politics right now. Although I would like to advise people, don't take sides right now. Thaishi siasa bado shirafagwa huko chini ya maji. I won't be surprised kuona a very different political formation in 2026 December. Gayato kinyaneria. I won't be surprised. Todo, politics is a game of interests. Onomuthi Gachagua augire ati there are enough seats for everybody. So what is the agenda in all this? Tusidanganyane, totikahenanie. It is power sharing. There are enough seats for everyone. Mmoja anaweza kuwa, mmoja atakuwa rais, mwingine awe naibu rais, mwingine awe speaker, mwingine awe prime. Ndiyo maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about all these events. Nake kũrĩa Nyanza William Ruto athiĩte na mbere na kũnyitirĩra atĩ nĩ akona kura cia andũ a Nyanza, and this is a very tricky region. Actually, angĩkorwo he region ĩmwe ĩkoragwo very tricky, ni region ya Nyanza. And these people, provided Baba Raila Amolo Odinga is alive, kiria ekuga niguo megwika. So the question of whether Baba is going to get votes in Nyanza all relies on Raila Odinga. Ndirarida ina kana ati ni aguthi kũ nginya ake nginya iwanja cia ndege o gicagi. Utiramakania kana eguthi nginya ake expressway nginya Bondo. Utiramakania kana eguthi ake anything. Ona ngithi kũ ake nginya Rami nginya kila hado. If Baba Raila Amolo Odinga wakes up one day and says that huyu mtu William Ruto ni mwizi, mimi nimegundua katika serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yeye ni mwizi, muthenya wacio, just know that na hiyo maendeleo yote atakuwa amefanya kule Nyanza it will end in premium tears. There are a lot of predictions saying that Baba won't last in the Kenya Kwanza government, and once his interests starts not getting sorted, you will see him out like nobody's business. Na nikiwa Edwin Sifuna gũkũ atarahe kohoro, na there is no one stopping him. As the Secretary General of ODM, we once saw him akiyumiria na gũkorwo akĩarĩria William Ruto head on, and Baba didn't stop him. In fact, athondekire joke out of it. So with all this, ironania a lot of things are about to happen in politics. Ndiye maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this.